Weather from where you live.
Skies are partly cloudy tonight, and the temperature is actually rising with a pretty stiff south and southwest wind starting to kick in here. But last night was a pretty cold night. We dropped as low as 10 degrees around here, but the chunk of the cold has kind of moved southeast and east of us. It'll be below zero tonight in New England, and we're talking record cold in Florida. Hard freeze warnings all the way to Punta Gorda and also Lake Okeechobee, and a freeze warning for parts of Miami. And I'll tell you, Panhandle could get down into the upper teens. But we've got a clipper out here that around the bend and dives southward, but it's pumping in the warmth. So it's warmer tonight in Winnipeg, Manitoba than it is in Tampa, Florida, as the warm air comes our way. And it's that warm air ahead of those clippers that will bring us 50s by Friday. In the meantime, tonight, the temps in the 20s. They fell a couple of degrees, and now they're on the up and up here. It's 23 at the station, 23 Monticello and Winnemac, and it's 22 at Crawfordsville. And tomorrow morning, it's going to keep going up. It'll be 27 at 7, still a brisk southwest wind. That continues through the day, 40 for the high temperature, a good deal of sun, some clouds mixing in at times, especially the early half and then late in the day. Just a few moisture-starved Alberta clippers will kind of move north of us over the next few days. It's going to bring kind of a topsy-turvy temperature forecast, but overall readings above normal. A lot of wind. In fact, really over the next 8 days, every day is going to be windy, and I think we'll squeeze in a couple days, gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour, with mainly dry weather around here. Tomorrow, about 36 to 43. 43 Perrysville, 40 Lafayette, 39 Monticello, 37 Logansport. The sun will feel good. There'll be a little chill in the air with that wind, and just a slight chill in the air on Thursday with a pretty strong southwest wind. 42 Rochester, 44 at Monticello, 45 Lafayette, and all the way up to 48 degrees at Perrysville. Tonight it's partly cloudy. Tomorrow, kind of partly cloudy skies. I think there'll be more clouds the early part of the day, and then perhaps a few more late in the day. And those may produce a flurry or two tomorrow night, but after that, the clipper that produces those will be long gone. It's going to be over here on Thursday. There's your 44, windy. 50s on Friday, 53 with a strong wind. We cool off. A sharp Alberta clipper will swing through with a few snow showers Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 30s. Still in the 30s on Monday, 38, but there's a clipper here that'll turn the winds to the southwest, so it's back up to 45 on Tuesday, and then yet another Alberta clipper will drop us to 38 with a few rain and snow showers on Wednesday. Again, more wind. I think between next Wednesday and about the 15th, we could get some minor snowfall, but the models are still pointing at a very brief, very sharp warm-up around the 17th with perhaps some rain and storms, highs in the 60s before the bottom falls out. We could have highs only in the teens, overnight lows perhaps a little bit below zero by the 18th. So this is a really topsy-turvy forecast with a lot of wind and really wide swings in temperature. It was 12 this morning. It'll be 53 Friday, and then the 30s over the weekend, and then 45 on Tuesday. And again, precip very light, a few flurries tomorrow night, and then perhaps a few scattered flurries and snow showers Saturday and Sunday. We may have to wait until about January 17th to get really any significant rain or snow for that matter in the forecast.
Manitoba should never be warmer than Tampa, Florida. And I lived in Florida for 3 years. Yeah. It should never happen.
It's already in the upper 20s in parts of Florida tonight. Record cold there, and we could actually break records in North Dakota tomorrow with the warmth.
This is ridiculous. I don't even know. But I tell you what, I know some girls hoops are heating up the